This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by pattyh Howie. Wonderful home on a corner lot. Updates: light fixtures, granite countertops in kitchen, hardwood flooring in kitchen, great room and foyer. New roof, kitchen oven being replaced, new hot water tank and replaced both garage doors. Huge bedrooms with walk-in closets. Loft area for office. There are 2 non-conforming bedrooms in basement with full bath. For more information, review the details below or contact pattyh Howie at 816-806-9161.